right, Brad, we're 3 deep in the tech pick contest. You're up, so why don't you tell Sam and me why you think that one ought to be champion?
Well, I've always wanted to own a bike of that nature. I've grew up just loving it, you know, that style.
Bring it up.
It is mostly stock, from what I can tell. Forward controls aren't, but because it's a shovel head, you know, it's been around for a long time. The color scheme, I love it, it's subtle. The badges really stand out, they're unique. You don't see them around much anymore. And it looks comfortable to me. It looks like a bike that I could ride.